This video, we will show you how to insert watermark in Microsoft Word. To insert watermark in Microsoft Word, first, you can open your Microsoft Word. In here, for example, we create blank documents. Okay. To insert watermark, you need to click the Design menu. After that, you can select watermark. In here, you can choose the watermark, the available, or you can custom your watermark. If you are using available, just you can click like this. So your Microsoft Word will have watermark. To using custom, just select watermark and select custom watermark. In here, for example, you can using your own text. Okay, and you can using the color. For example, you have the red color and click OK like this. And also you can choose the watermark with picture. For example, you have a picture, not text. Just select the picture and select from files. For example, we have this picture here and click insert. After that, you can click OK. You can see maybe this watermark is too big. You can select watermark again and select custom, and you can using this scale to resize your image, for example with 50%, and click OK. You can see now you have watermark like this. How to remove the watermark? To remove watermark, you can just click this watermark and select remove watermark. And that's all tutorial how you can insert watermark in Microsoft Word. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.